In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change your spawn point and set something as a home here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to go to really wherever it is that you want to spawn. You can fast travel over here if needed. So essentially just go to wherever it is that you want to spawn. Let's just say we want to spawn over at, I don't know, I guess one of our houses, right? This one over here. Fast travel over there. And once you do arrive, it'll look something like this. What you need to do is, of course, enter that house. So go ahead and just enter in there real quick. And this works with the festival site, really any estate that you might own, any house that you might own, or any garage that you might own. Once you're in here, you're going to see a button down in the bottom left. It's going to say set as home, and this is going to be different depending on what platform you're on. If you're using an Xbox controller, it's going to be Y. If you're on a PlayStation, it's going to be triangle. If you're on a mouse and keyboard, it may be something else as well. So just keep that in mind. It looks like it's Y as well, but go ahead and do that. And of course, once you load back into the game, you're then going to start spawning there. That's the full process right here. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.